Hello everyone, I am attorney Tiffany Simmons, the founder of Simmons Law. Simmons Law specializes in business, criminal, and entertainment law. Now I'm always getting asked legal questions, so I thought what better way to help clients and potential clients than to answer those live for you. Now before we get into today's law Q&A, let me tell you a fun fact about being a lawyer in the United States. Now there are roughly 1.3 million attorneys in the United States, and less than 50,000 of those attorneys are black attorneys. So I definitely am honored to be amongst the few that are here to serve the community. So let's get right into today's questions. What is the total possible fine or fees for a petty theft offense? Now the writer writes in and says, I was recently caught stealing $38 worth of cosmetics from Sephora. I am 17 years old, this is my first offense, and I feel like a complete and utter idiot for what I did. How much could I possibly need to pay in the end, including the fine, the court fees, and once I turn 18, can I get the charge expunged from my record? Now, writer, you said that this is your first offense, you're 17, and it definitely was petty theft because it was less than $300. In Georgia, theft by shoplifting is when he or she, alone or in concert with another person, with the intent of appropriating merchandise to his or her own use without paying for the same, or to deprive the owner of possession thereof or of the value thereof, in whole or part, conceals or takes possession of the goods of any store, or alters the price of tags, or transfers the goods from one container to another, or interchanges the label or price tags, or wrongfully causes the amount paid to be less than the merchant's stated price for the merchandise. Now, this is a misdemeanor charge. And what you can do, if you hire an attorney, the DA along with your attorney can negotiate a pretrial diversion program in lieu of a conviction, since this is your first offense. I hope that answers your question. Thank you so much for writing in, and this is attorney Tiffany Simmons with the Law Q&A.